Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Y'all can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Hear you.
Okay, children. Everyone came?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Y'all can hear me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, sit straight. Everyone came?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
कार क्या है दे दे कार के ग्लास दे दे ग्लास कैसे
Good morning, ma'am.
ऐड करा हुआ
No one should talk in between, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, all sit straight. Pranix, sir. Prithvik. Sit straight. Okay, so today we going to see revision part for unit test 2. Okay, children? What we are going to see in today's class?
Revision for unit.
Revision part for unit test 2. Okay. So before starting the class, we will do some exercise meditation and then we will start our class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Answer. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Parents, children, no one should talk, okay? Clap your hands. Loudly clap your hands. All do flower clap. All do flower clap, children. All do silence clap. Okay, all sit straight. Clasp your fingers. Who's that talking? Brenda. Sumit, you should not talk while
Good
class
morning,
is-
ma'am.
Okay, clasp your fingers. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, everyone. Aarti, close your eyes. Close your eyes, sit straight. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, open your eyes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sit straight. In today's class, what we are going to do? What we are going to learn?
Revision on unit.
Okay. See, first chapter, half I did not do right. After test only I did central processing unit. Okay, that is CPU. After test only first chapter I did no. For this test, from first chapter also I will give. So second chapter, after we did no, even we will continue from first chapter as well as second chapter. Okay, children. Now I will share the question answers for you all. Now in today's class, we will learn and I will share pictures in the group. You should practice the question answers and adverbs. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now I will share the picture. When I'm repeating the question answers, Even you all have to repeat after me. No one should talk with in your house. Okay, everyone should keep quiet. You all have to repeat after me. There should not be any disturbance. Okay, children. Okay, I will share the picture. You all can see, children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is first question? What is meant by central processing unit? Okay. So, what is the first question?
What is meant by central processing unit?
Okay. So, what is the meaning for CPU? CPU. What is the full form of CPU?
Central processing unit.
Okay. So, answer is
Central processing unit.
okay. Now, listen, answer. Okay. Afterwards, you'll repeat. Okay, children, listen the answer. The central processing unit, CPU, is known as the brain of a computer. Say the
Central processing unit, CPU, known as the brain of a computer.
brain of the computer system. All the decisions are made by CPU. Now you all repeat after me.
All the decisions are made by CPU.
CPU. Now you all will
CPU.
repeat after me.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the central processing unit
The central processing unit,
is known as the
CP, is known as the
brain of a computer
brain of
Computer.
system. All the decisions
decisions
are made by
are made by
CPU.
CPU.
The central processing unit
The central processing unit
is known as the
is known as the
brain of a computer.
brain of a computer.
All the
All the
decisions
decisions
are made by
are made by
CPU.
CPU.
So we have already learned meaning for central processing unit, no children?
Yes,
You all know the spelling for central processing
yes,
unit.
ma'am.
Here the new word in this answer is decision. Okay, isn't it? We have already
Yes,
learned
ma'am.
meaning for brain, system, CPU, everything. So in this question answer, decision spelling only you have to learn. Now say the spelling for decision. D-E-C.
D-E-C-I E-C
E-C.
D-E-C
I-S-I.
I-S-I
O-N-S.
O-N-S
Decisions.
Decisions.
E-E-C. What ma'am?
E-E-C
S-I-S.
Yes-I-O-N-S I-S-S-I
O-N-S.
O-N-S
Decisions.
Decisions.
Now, Remisha, learn the answer, ma. What is meant by central processing unit?
The central processing unit CPU is known as the brain of a computer system, and the decisions are made by CPU.
Very good. Krutya learn what is meant by central processing unit.
The central processing unit CPU is known as the brain of a computer system. All the decisions are made by CPU.
Karnashila, what is meant by central processing unit?
The central processing unit CPU is known as the brain of a computer system. All the decisions are made by CPU.
Instrument learn what is meant by central processing unit.
The central processing unit CPU is known as the brain of a computer system. All the decisions are made by CPU.
Very good. Now all the children together should learn the answer. Okay, what is meant by central processing unit?
The central processing unit CPU is known as the brain of computer system. All the decisions are made by CPU. All the types are made by
Varun, don't touch the screen, Varun. Next question. Write the meaning of operating system. What is the second question? Write the
meaning of operating system.
Now, what is the meaning of operating system? An
Operating system can be defined as a set of computer programs that operates
the computer to operate.
smoothly.
Please don't touch the screen. Now say, repeat after me, children. An operating system
An operating system
can be
can be
defined as a
defined as a set of
computer programs
computer programs
that helps the computer
that help the computer
to operate smoothly.
operate smoothly.
Once again, an operating system
An operator
can be defined as a
defined as a
set of
set of
computer programs
computer programs
that helps the computer
that helps the computer
to operate smoothly.
operate smoothly.
Okay, so operating system, if operating system is there only, a computer can work smoothly, isn't it? Now what is the advance in this operating system? We have learned the spelling. Now you should learn spelling for programs operate smoothly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now say the spelling for operating. O-P-E-R-A-T. I-N-G.
Operate.
O-P-E-R-A-T-I-N-G. Operating system. S Y S
S-T-E-M.
T-E-M. Operating system. Operating system. Yes. Now, once I will learn the answer.
Operating
People should
system.
answer, okay? And operating system can be defined as
Someone is
a.
scratching.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who scratching the
Can
screen,
be
I will remove you from the class
defined
now.
as
Y'all can see properly. No, I zoomed only now, children. Not even
Yes,
touch
ma'am.
the screen. Okay. And operating system can be defined as a set of computer programs that helps the computer to operate smoothly. Okay. Now, Prapti, learn the answer for operating system. Prapti, are you there? Prapti? Where is Prapti? Prapti? You can't hear me, Prapti? You're not even answering anything. You're not even doing anything, Prapti. Varsha? Varsha, are you there, ma? Varsha is not there.
Ma'am, shall I say, ma'am?
No, ma'am. Varsha is
Really,
not there.
others also will get chance, okay?
Ma'am, shall I say, ma'am?
Varun? Varun?
Ma'am,
Say the answer for second one. What is operating system?
system can be defined as a set of a computer programs that help the computer to operate smoothly.
Very good, Varun. Prithvik.
Shall I say,
Prithvik,
ma'am?
only know your new admission boy. What is your name? Prithvik?
Ma'am, shall I say, ma'am?
Cherish? Cherish, you answer, okay? Now I'll share the picture, you answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Cherish, answer, what is operating system?
An operating system can be defined as a computer programs that help the computer to operate smoothly.
Once again, learn, Cherish.
An operating system can be defined as a set of computer programs that helps the computer to operate smoothly.
Very good, Cherish.
Shall I say, ma'am?
Mahendra Reddy. Now you should learn Mahendra Reddy. Second one answer you should learn.
Okay, ma'am.
Learn, ma. Write the meaning of operating system.
An operating system can be defined as set of computer programs that helps the computer to operate smoothly.
Very good, Mahendra. So two answers. You all know, no children. You have any doubt in these two question answers?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we move to third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
What, Krutya?
What is defined, ma'am?
Defined in exact your answer for operating system. Okay, the operating system can be defined. What is operating system? We are defining, we are saying the answer as a set of computer programs. Okay, we are saying the answer, we are defining, we are giving the meaning for operating system. Okay,
Ma'am.
next third one. Name the two environment of an operating system. What is the third question?
Ma'am,
I
did not understand second one, ma'am.
Wait, Trithya, wait. Trithya, wait. Now, say the third one. Name the two environments of an operating system.
System.
So what is the answer? Command user interface.
Command user interface.
Say command user interface.
Command user interface.
Graphical user interface.
Graphical user interface.
Now learn, everyone learn
Name the
environment of an operating system.
command
Name
user
the
interface.
command
Graphical
user interface. Graphical user interface.
So command means it is a text-based interface. Okay. So the user means who's using the computer will give the text form, and it will give the command. Okay. It is a text form. Graphical user interface means it will be already in the computer. All the applications we have, no. So it will be in computer only it will be having like icons, paint and all we have, no children. So
Yes, ma'am.
that will be present in the computer itself. Okay. Command user interface means the user who's operating the computer will type and he will give information. Graphical means it will be already present in the computer, icons, paint, Microsoft Excel, like this it will be present already in the computer. Did you understand? Now Emisha,
Yes,
learn
ma'am.
name
Name the two types of operating system.
the third
Name
one,
the-
Emisha, name the two environment.
Name the two environment of an operating system. Command user interface. Graphical user interface.
Now say the spelling for command.
C-O-M-M-A-N-D.
Command.
Command.
User.
User.
U-S-E-R.
U-S-E-R. User.
Interface.
I-N-T-E-R-F-A-C-E. Face.
Interface. Graphical. G-R-A.
G-R-A.
T-H-I.
T-H-I.
C-A-L.
C-A-L.
Graphical.
Graphical.
User. User. U-S-E-R.
U-S-E-R.
User. Interface. I-N-T. E-R.
I-N-T-E-R.
F-A-C-E. Interface. Interface. Okay. So next, fourth one. Name the two types of operating system. Single user operating system.
Single user operating system.
Multi-user
operating system. Multi-user operating system.
Multi-user operating system.
Multi-user operating system.
So single use means one person will use one computer. Okay, it will for example in home schools and all we have that computer. Multi-user operating system means one computer will be connected to many computer. It will be used in offices, etc. Okay, children. No, who's that?
Ma'am, someone is scratching.
Single user operating system.
Single user operating system.
Multi-user operating system.
Multi-user operating system.
Name fifth one. Name the
Name the
types of computer memory.
two types of memory.
Answer: primary memory,
Primary memory.
secondary memory.
Secondary memory.
Primary memory,
Primary memory.
secondary memory.
Secondary memory.
Okay.
Ma'am,
See, next main we'll see afterwards. All together we will learn. Okay.
ma'am, ma'am,
What, Emisha?
what is primary, ma'am?
Yeah, I'll teach you. Now time is day up. No, we will see all the main and then I'll teach you primary and secondary. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Second main, children, mention the
Mention the
three parts of CPU.
parts of CPU.
Mention the
Mention the
three parts of CPU.
three parts of CPU.
Arithmetic logic unit,
Arithmetic logical unit.
control unit,
Control unit.
memory unit.
Memory unit.
Arithmetic and logical unit,
Arithmetic and logical unit.
control unit,
Control unit.
memory unit.
Memory unit.
They mention the
Mention the
three parts of CPU.
three parts of CPU.
Arithmetic and logic unit,
Arithmetic and logic unit.
control unit, memory unit. And third main, complete the block diagram. Okay, I gave you homework. No,
Yes, ma'am.
CPU parts like it is. If you have textbook, take out a textbook, page number 14. You have textbooks with yours? Take out your textbooks. Page number 14.
Yes, ma'am.
So you all have the diagram, no? Control unit, input, memory unit and all. For homework I gave, even you people have drawn and sent me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That you have to draw and practice. You have to name the parts of CPU properly. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. We should do
Don't
video
touch the screen.
oral, ma'am.
What, ma'am?
We should do video of oral, ma'am.
This is revision, Misha, for test.
Okay.
Okay. You all will draw that picture. You will practice that picture, children. Yeah, IPO cycle with help of block diagram. First, we have to give input. After input is giving, isn't it? You'll have to draw that picture. You'll have to practice that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So, what is primaries and secondary? Okay. See, when you were in second standard, we have learned internal storage and external storage. Can you remember?
Ma'am, what?
Yes, ma'am.
When you were in second standard, we have learned internal storage and external storage, isn't it? Do you remember, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So, internal storage means the data which is present inside the computer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
External storage means the data present outside the computer. For example, RAM. Okay. For example, for external storages, pen drive, CD, DVD. We have learned this. No, can you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So in computer, if you wanted to see any videos or audios, if you connect pen drive, okay, you have seen pen drive, no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
If you connect that pen drive in the computer, we can see the data which is present inside the pen drive. Okay, so it is external storage. It is outside of the computer. That pen drive is a part of computer, children. Pen drive is a part of computer.
Ma'am, this one, ma'am.
Yeah, page number 16. Okay, primary memory and secondary memory. So primary means the data which is present inside the computer. Secondary memory means the data outside the computers. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
We have already learned this in the second standard.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, primary means data outside inside the computer. Example, RAM. Okay, so it is the space given in the computer or mobile phone. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Outside the computer. Example, in your mobiles, you will add what is it? Chip you have seen, children.
Yes, ma'am.
SD card, memory card, SD card, pen drive, CD. So these are all the secondary memory. If we want, we can put that in the computer and we can see movies, everything. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the revision part of this unit test too, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will share this in the group. Okay. Y'all don't write and send me. In your computer classworks, y'all can write and practice all the question answers 5 times. Okay. Till you get perfectly, y'all keep on practicing. Okay.
In the notes, ma'am.
Yeah. In the notes, y'all can, I will share this picture in the group. Y'all can see and write. Y'all don't send me. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Y'all can learn this for your test and draw that block diagram properly with correct spellings. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Send you all hard words. So what are the hard words in the question answers? Even I will send you that. That hard words also you all can practice 5 times. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Where is Varsha? Varsha is absent today. Etanshi? Where is Etanshi?
She is also absent, ma'am.
She's there. Ma'am, Joshna, now first answer what is meant by central processing unit.
Ma'am, I am here, ma'am.
Etanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
learn first one answer, Etanshi. What is meant by central processing unit?
Ma'am, shall I?
The central processing unit is known as the brain of the computer system. All the decisions are made by CPU.
Very good. Joshna, you have to learn second one, Joshna. Write the meaning of operating system.
An operating system can be operating system can be defined as a set of. Ma'am, I cannot see this last one, ma'am. DFIND, ma'am.
Defined.
Defined as a set of computer programs that help the computer to operating smoothly.
To operate smoothly.
Smooth.
Prithvik, Prithvik Raj. Prithvik Raj, you can't hear me, man.
Yes, ma'am.
Learn third one.
Third one.
Wait, I'll share the picture. Learn third one, Prithvik.
Ma'am, which one, ma'am?
Third one, Prithvik.
Okay, ma'am.
Learn.
Okay, ma'am.
Learn.
Command user interface.
Wait. Name the two environments of an operating system.
Graphical.
Learn, men say the answer. Name the two environment of an operating system.
Interface. Graphical user interface.
Learn properly. Say command. Say, man. Ritvik, say. One side.
Command user interface. Graphical user interface. Command user interface. Graphical user interface.
Okay, Prithvik. Good. Prapti. Prapti, you're in the class, but you can't hear me. Can you hear me, no, Prapti?
Ma'am,
Chandana Lakshmi, are you in the class?
Yes,
Okay. Learn fourth one, Chandana. Name the two types of operating system.
Single memory. Ma'am, I
Single
cannot.
memory. Hey. Name the two types of operating system. Chandana, learn single user operating system.
User operating system. Mute user operating system.
Okay, children. So all the revision part, take down in your classworks and practice. Okay.
okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Picture in the